In the heart of India's Silicon Valley, a quiet revolution is unfolding. A revolution not of technology, but of a very roof over our heads. Welcome to the story of Bangalore's unprecedented rental surge. As the dawn of 2023 broke, Bangalore's bustling IT market whispered a tale of change, a change that would see rental value soaring to the new heights. Our journey begins with an overarching trend, a surge in rental values across Bangalore's major market. Imagine the rent projected to climb by 5 to 12% in a single year. Let's delve deeper into the heart of Thanisandra Main Road and Marathalli Outer Ring Road. Here is a staggering 24% rise in rental values, tells a story of demand and transformation. Picture a two-bedroom home, once 21,000 a month, now demanding 26,000. Or Marathalli, where rent slipped from 22,500 to 28,000. But our tale doesn't end here. Whitefield and Sarjapur Road 2 have joined this unprecedented chapter. A 21% growth in Whitefield and 20% increase in Sarjapur, each locality with its own unique narrative. And in the midst of this revolution, Bangalore emerges, triumphant, boosting the highest rental yield among the India's top cities at 4.1%, surpassing even Mumbai. But what's driving this surge? It's more than just a number. It's a story of city rebounding post-COVID, of offices reopening, of thriving IT sector pulsating through Bangalore's veins. As we close this chapter, remember, this is more than just a story. It's reality of potential renters and investors. It's the future of living in Bangalore. Now, I turn the page over to you. Share your chapter in this unfolding story. Have you felt the ripples of this surge? Let's converse in the comment below. If this tale of transformation resonates with you, like, share and subscribe for more narratives from Bangalore's vibrant real estate canvas. Until our next story, keep exploring, keep questioning.